All right, well, kind of an active weekend in the Northwest and seeing some snow in some fairly unusual spots. That went for Seattle and also into Portland. We want to thank Aaron and Jesse for this weather video out of Seattle. You can see this nice little cat. I believe the name is Rusty. He's trying to catch some of the snowflakes. Fortunately, he's inside. He or she. Rusty, that's kind of a boy's name. Think back to that Seinfeld episode where Kramer was back. He was in a horse carriage and the horse name was Rusty. So that was a good episode. Anyway, we'll head over to Seattle where things have been a little bit on the cooler side. In fact, 34 yesterday and then 38 in Portland. They too had some snowfall. 32 in Missoula, 42 in Billings, and then along the Front Range we had some mild readings, 54 in Cheyenne, 56 in the Denver area. And the high temperatures from normal showing those readings quite a bit warmer than average in the Central Rockies and also along the Front Range, almost 15 to 20 degrees above average, but much colder up to the north and west. We're actually watching some of that colder air drop out of Canada, and this is going to continue to drop off to the south and east. Look at the 24-hour temperature change now, 30 degrees colder than it was at this time yesterday in Billings and 10 degrees colder than it was at this time yesterday in Missoula. And things are definitely going to be staying chilly here through the rest of the week. But yesterday in Seattle, 2.4, enough to create some havoc on the roadways. I hope you weren't too I hope things weren't too slippery around your neck of the woods in the Seattle area, but definitely looking at some accumulating snow there. Missoula at a trace, and these are areas that are likely to see some decent amounts of snow as we head into the middle part of the week, because another impulse of energy will be working off of the Pacific, and we could see upwards of 4 to 8 inches, meaning the higher elevations. But for now, we do have some winter weather advisories for southwestern Montana, and then just west of Billings, winter storm warnings expiring at 7 p.m. this evening. Some accumulating snow is possible there. And these are wind chill advisories in the northeastern corner of the state. So this morning, definitely cold with the sub-zero temperatures and also the teens and 20s below for wind chill values. But there is that snow. You can still see it ongoing near the Billings area, widening out. Some intermittent showers and even some coastal rain showers, but they do quickly turn over to mostly snow through the I-5 corridor from Seattle down to Portland and then heading into Northern California. So we have another impulse of energy, as I mentioned, working inland for late tonight and also through Tuesday, and then spreading even farther east as we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday. So everything is going to be causing some problems if you're going to be traveling, and this is also going to be coming with some wind, so blowing that snow around, and the cold air is going to be here to stay, especially up to the north for this upcoming week. All right, temperatures out there today, 8 only in Billings.